Make an open-bottom fish tank. Open-bottom fish tanks provide a more conducive and healthy environment for fish. They have more surface space to move around in, and there is better oxygenation for the water. This helps making the maintenance of the tank easier. It's easy to clean and requires less filtering. You can also easily accomplish this DIY project within 2 days. Here's what you should do. Prepare the following materials: a fish tank that's square with dimensions of 30 x 30 x 15 inches, 2 sheets aquarium glass measuring 18 x 24 inches, 1 sheet aquarium glass measuring 18 x 6 inches, 2 sheets aquarium glass measuring 6 x 24 inches, 2 pieces clear glass flat paperweights measuring 6 x 2 x 2 inches, 1 tube of silicone adhesive that's clear and aquarium safe, a submersible aquarium pump, 15 inches of bubble curtain with air stone, 10 feet of plastic air line that's clear, aquarium safe decor like rocks and gems. All glass sheets and pieces should be acrylic. Assemble a 24-inch tall by 18-inch wide by 6-inch deep tube aquarium. To do this, you need to connect both 2 sheets 18 x 24 inches acrylic aquarium glass plus the single sheet 18 x 6 inches acrylic aquarium glass. Use the tube of silicone adhesive to attach these sheets of glass together. Make sure that the ends of your 18 x 6 inches glass sheet is left open. Set aside and allow the adhesive to completely set overnight. Get the square fish tank, the one measuring 30 x 30 x 15. Then get the 2 pieces of clear glass paperweights. Position these 2 paperweights onto the square fish tank's bottom, leaving a space of 12 inches in between them. Then use the silicone adhesive again to attach the paperweights to the bottom. Leave it overnight for the silicone adhesive to completely set. Get the tube aquarium you set up earlier. Attach it at the 2 glass paperweights top with its open side facing down. Again, use the silicone adhesive to connect them. Set aside and leave overnight to set. Put your aquarium pump at the bottom of the fish tank. Connect your air line to your bubble curtain on one end and to the aquarium pump on the other. Then put the bubble curtain inside the aquarium. Lay it down flat. Decorate the tank. Get all your aquarium-safe rocks, gems, and decor, and arrange them inside the tank. Get a hose and let the tank fill with enough water. Leave the tank overnight to allow chemicals in the tap water to disperse. You may also use conditioner for commercial water. Prep the pump for a few seconds. Turn the pump on. Allow the water circulate in the tank for 2 to 3 days. After that, you can already add your fish. If you want more breathing space for your fish, you can easily assemble an open-bottom fish tank. And if you decorate with aquarium-safe materials, it'll be pleasing to the eyes as well.